Are you tired of your outdated kitchen? Want to know how to transform it into a space that's both stylish and functional? In 2025, there are kitchen trends that you can't afford to ignore. From bold colors to innovative designs, the future of kitchen style is here. Whether you're planning a full remodel or just a few upgrades, these trends will take your kitchen to the next level. Let's dive into the hottest trends that will make your kitchen the heart of your home. Why kitchen colors matter. Kitchen colors do more than just look pretty. They affect how you feel, how the space looks, and even how much you enjoy cooking. Colors set the mood. The right color can change how your kitchen feels. Soft, warm tones like beige or cream create a cozy and welcoming space. Bold colors like navy blue or deep green feel dramatic and modern. Want energy? Bright yellows or reds can make the room feel lively and fun. They can make the space feel bigger or smaller. Light colors like white or pale gray make small kitchens feel open and airy. Darker shades like charcoal or black add depth but can make a large kitchen feel cozier. Choosing the right balance helps your kitchen feel just right. Reflect your personality. Your kitchen is the heart of your home. The colors you choose show your style. Love calm, peaceful spaces? Go for soft pastels or natural greens. Prefer bold and modern? Dark hues or bright accents make a statement. Boost home value. A stylish, well-chosen kitchen color can increase your home's value. Neutral shades are safe and timeless, appealing to more buyers. Trendy, designer-approved colors can also make your kitchen stand out in a competitive market. Highlight key features. The right colors can make your favorite kitchen features pop. Use bold shades on your island or cabinets to draw attention. Lighter walls can highlight dark countertops, and metallic accents shine against neutral backgrounds. Section 1. The power of neutral tones. Neutral colors are a favorite choice for designers. They create a clean, elegant base that works with any style. If you want a timeless kitchen, these shades are a perfect start. One standout is warm taupe. It's soft and welcoming, making your kitchen feel cozy. Plus, it looks amazing with wooden shelves or brass handles. Another must-have is soft grayish. It's a blend of gray and beige, offering a modern touch while staying classic. This color works well with both bright and dark accents. Want something brighter? Creamy white is your best friend. It reflects light beautifully and makes small kitchens feel larger. Unlike plain white, this shade has a soft warmth that feels inviting. If you love a bold yet neutral tone, try classic navy. It's deep and dramatic but never goes out of style. Use it on lower cabinets for a modern twist. But here's a secret. Designers are obsessing over pale sage. It's a subtle green with an earthy vibe. It adds a fresh, calming feel to your kitchen. Perfect if you want a hint of color without going too bold. Up next, we dive into bold and dramatic shades that will take your kitchen to the next level. And trust us, some of these choices might surprise you. Section 2. Bold and dramatic colors. If you want to make a statement, bold and dramatic colors are the way to go. These rich hues can transform an ordinary kitchen into a designer dream. Forest green is a favorite for nature lovers. It's deep, rich, and brings a grounded, organic feel to your kitchen. Pair it with brass fixtures or wooden accents for a balanced, earthy touch. For a sleek, modern look, matte black is unbeatable. It adds depth and makes a striking contrast against light countertops or backsplashes. Plus, it hides smudges better than glossy finishes. Want something unexpected? Deep plum is bold and luxurious. This rich purple hue works beautifully in kitchens with gold accents, adding a sense of opulence and warmth. Inky blue is another dramatic option. It's dark and mysterious but has a cool, calming effect. It pairs well with metallic touches like copper or brushed nickel, giving your kitchen a sophisticated edge. For a pop of warmth, designers love terracotta orange. It brings a rustic, Mediterranean feel and works beautifully with natural wood and warm lighting. It's a bold choice, but it feels inviting and cozy. Looking for something truly eye-catching? Emerald green is a jewel-toned beauty that instantly elevates any kitchen. It's bold, vibrant, and adds personality without being too overwhelming. These bold and dramatic colors are perfect if you want your kitchen to stand out. And coming up next, we'll explore playful pops of color that bring energy and fun to your space. And you won't want to miss color number 2. Section 3. Playful pops of color. If you want to bring energy and personality to your kitchen, playful pops of color are the way to go. These fun shades add a fresh, cheerful vibe that makes your space feel alive. One designer favorite is mustard yellow. It's warm, sunny, and instantly brightens any kitchen. Use it on an accent wall, bar stools, or even small appliances for a playful touch. It works especially well in smaller kitchens, making them feel more open and inviting. For a soft and charming look, try blush pink. This delicate shade adds a touch of whimsy without being overwhelming. It pairs beautifully with white cabinets and gold accents, creating a dreamy and modern kitchen style. Feeling adventurous? Cobalt blue is bold and full of life. It's an excellent choice for an island or a backsplash. This striking hue adds energy and makes a strong style statement. It's also a perfect match for sleek, modern designs. If you love cool tones, mint green is a refreshing choice. It gives your kitchen a breezy, retro feel. Pair it with white countertops and stainless steel appliances for a clean, airy look. It's a soft pop of color that feels fresh without being too bold. For something unique, designers love soft lilac. It's a gentle purple with a modern twist. This shade is calming but still playful, making it a perfect choice for open shelves or accent cabinets. These playful colors can add personality without overpowering your kitchen. But if you want to take your kitchen to the next level of elegance, stay tuned. Our next section dives into luxury metallic accents that add a touch of glamour. Section 4. Luxury metallic accents. If you're aiming for sophistication and a touch of glamour, luxury metallic accents are a perfect choice. These shimmering hues elevate your kitchen with a refined, upscale feel, making it feel both modern and timeless. Champagne gold is the first on the list, and it's all about adding a subtle yet undeniable touch of luxury. It's perfect for cabinet hardware, light fixtures, or even small appliances. This warm, golden tone brings a soft radiance to your kitchen and pairs beautifully with neutral tones, creating a sophisticated, high-end vibe. Next up is brushed copper, a warm, metallic shade that works wonders in industrial chic kitchens. This rich, earthy color adds warmth and character to any space. It's perfect for appliances, sink fixtures, or accent pieces. The brush texture softens the shine, giving it a more refined, modern look while still keeping that bold metallic edge. For a more understated yet equally elegant option, pewter gray is an excellent choice. This subtle metallic adds depth and sophistication without being too flashy. It works beautifully in minimalist designs, where its quiet shine can be the star of the show without overpowering the space. Think pewter handles on sleek cabinets, or a pewter-toned backsplash that adds just the right amount of luxury while keeping the focus on the overall design. If you're looking for something soft yet glamorous, rose gold brings that perfect balance. This warm, pinkish metallic has become a favorite for modern kitchens, offering a chic and feminine touch. It's ideal for small accent pieces like cabinet knobs, faucets, or pendant lights. When paired with marble countertops or matte white cabinets, rose gold adds a sophisticated, on-trend sparkle that feels both modern and timeless. Last but certainly not least is antique bronze, a classic finish that exudes timeless elegance. It's deeper and more muted than other metallics, offering a rich, earthy tone that blends seamlessly into both traditional and contemporary kitchens. Antique bronze adds a touch of sophistication to everything from cabinet hardware to light fixtures, creating a warm, refined atmosphere that feels luxurious without being too bold. These metallic accents bring a refined elegance and a touch of glamour to any kitchen, whether you want a bold statement or a subtle shine. Now, if you're looking to bring in more color and vibrancy to your space, stay tuned for our next section, where we explore the best future-proof innovation shades into your kitchen. Section 5. Future-proof and innovative colors. Looking ahead to 2025 and beyond, future-proof and innovative colors are all about blending timeless appeal with a modern twist. These shades create a lasting impact, adding depth and sophistication while staying on trend for years to come. Let's dive into these exciting colors that are shaping the future of kitchen design. Clay taupe is a modern neutral that stands out with its earthy undertones. This warm, muted shade blends the best of beige and gray, offering a balanced, versatile base for your kitchen. It's perfect for cabinets, countertops, or even walls, providing a soft backdrop that allows other elements, like bold accents or natural textures, to pop. Clay taupe works wonderfully with wood finishes and stone textures, making it ideal for kitchens that blend modern aesthetics with natural warmth. Next, we have midnight green, a deep, mysterious green that feels almost futuristic. This shade brings an air of drama and intrigue to your kitchen, making it a great choice for statement pieces like an island or cabinetry. Midnight green evokes a sense of calm and sophistication while feeling modern and bold. Pair it with gold hardware for a luxurious touch or combine it with light neutrals for a striking contrast. For a softer, cozier feel, warm graphite is the way to go. This shade takes classic gray and adds warm undertones, creating a welcoming, intimate atmosphere. It's perfect for those who love the sleek, modern appeal of gray but want something with a bit more depth and comfort. Warm graphite works beautifully on large surfaces like kitchen islands or as an accent on cabinetry. Ice blue is cool and serene, making it an ideal choice for creating a clean, fresh kitchen space. This light, frosty shade brings a crisp, modern vibe that feels calming and refreshing. Ice blue is perfect for a minimalist kitchen design, where it can be used on walls, backsplashes, or even as a subtle accent. It pairs beautifully with white countertops and stainless steel appliances, enhancing the feeling of space and brightness in the room. Finally, terracotta blush is a hybrid of warm clay and soft pink, a designer favorite for 2025. This color brings a unique blend of earthy warmth and gentle femininity, offering a fresh take on traditional terracotta tones. Terracotta blush works wonderfully for creating a soft yet vibrant atmosphere, making it perfect for accent walls, backsplashes, or even small appliances. These future-proof and innovative colors are all about creating spaces that are not only on trend but also enduring. Whether you're looking for earthy tones, bold greens, or soft, serene hues, these colors will help your kitchen feel forward-thinking and timeless. Stay tuned for more design tips and trends as we explore how to make the most of these unique shades in your home. Designer tips for using colors in your kitchen. Using colors in your kitchen can completely change its look. Designers know how to choose the right colors to make the space feel fresh and stylish. Here are some tips to help you use color like a pro. Start with neutrals. Neutrals are easy to work with. They create a calm and balanced base for your kitchen. Colors like white, gray, and beige are perfect for walls and cabinets. You can add bold accents later without overwhelming the space. Use color on accents. If you love bright colors but don't want to overdo it, try adding color to small pieces. This could be a colorful backsplash, bright cabinet handles, or colorful appliances. It adds personality without making the room feel too loud. Pair warm and cool colors. Mix warm colors like red, orange, or yellow with cool colors like blue, green, or gray. This balance creates harmony and makes the space feel more inviting. For example, combine a warm wooden table with cool gray cabinets for a stylish mix. Accent with metallics. Metallic colors like gold, silver, and copper add a touch of elegance. You can use them for light fixtures, faucets, or drawer pulls. Metallic accents help make a neutral kitchen feel luxurious and modern. Consider the mood. Think about the feeling you want in your kitchen. Lighter colors, like pastels or whites, make the space feel airy and fresh. Darker colors, like navy or charcoal, give the kitchen a cozy, sophisticated vibe. Choose colors that make you feel happy and comfortable. Use color to define spaces. In open kitchens, you can use color to separate different areas. For example, paint the kitchen island a bold color to make it stand out. Or use a different color for the dining area to make it feel separate from the cooking space. Test before you commit. Always test paint samples before choosing a color. Colors can look different in different lights. Try small swatches on your walls and see how they look at different times of the day. Mix textures with colors. When you use a bold color, balance it with different textures. For example, pair a deep green with a smooth marble countertop. This adds depth and interest to your kitchen. Stick to a palette. Choosing a color palette makes everything look coordinated. Pick 2 to 3 main colors and stick with them. Use lighter shades for the walls and darker shades for accents. This creates a calm, stylish feel. Embrace trends, but be timeless. Trendy colors can add excitement, but don't go too trendy. Choose timeless colors like navy, white, or gray, and mix in a pop of the latest shade. This way, your kitchen will stay stylish for years to come. Outro. And there you have it, 2025's most exciting kitchen trends. From innovative designs to stunning color choices, these trends will help you create the kitchen of your dreams. Ready to make a change? Don't wait. Start planning your kitchen transformation today and bring these trends to life in your home. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration and tips. Your dream kitchen is just a step away. Let's get started.